Printers are a crucial part of your CAKE network, ensuring that orders, receipts, and tickets are processed efficiently. Let's walk through how to configure your CAKE Epson thermal and/or impact printer on the CAKE POS. First, confirm that your printer is physically connected to the CAKE network via the CAKE router or network switch. Next, you'll need the printer's IP address to connect it to the POS. Check the receipt slip that printed during the printer setup and find the IP address. It should be in a 10 to 1010 format. If you've lost the receipt slip, you can reprint it by turning the printer off and on. Now that you have the IP address and the printer is physically connected, it's time to configure the printer on your POS system. Begin by logging in to the owner or user and selecting Clock In. Please note, if you do not clock in, you will not have access to the full main menu. Now, navigate to Main Menu, Settings, Device Manager. Then select the Printers option on the left-hand side of the screen. On the left side of the screen, you'll see all your onboard registers listed. Select the register you would like to set up the printer for. If you're setting up a receipt printer, select the default receipt printer listed. For other types of printers, like kitchen or expo printers, select Add Printer at the bottom left of the screen. In this example, we will be setting up the receipt printer. Now, fill out the Add Printer menu to complete the setup. Here are the key fields you need to fill out. Select the printer field to enter the IP address from the receipt slip. Choose Manually Assign IP Address. Enter the IP address in the field, then click the magnifying glass icon to establish the connection. Once connected, the icon will change to a printer icon. Click it to send a test print. Select Next to save the setup and return to the Add Printer menu. Next, configure the additional printer settings. Station name. For the receipt printer, you will not be able to change the station name. For other printer setups, choose the printer name from the drop-down list. Printer names must be added in Menu Admin under the Stations tab to appear in the drop-down. Receipt copies. Set how many receipt copies you want printed. Print backup to. Select a backup printer for receipts to be sent to in case the printer malfunctions. Print duplicates to. Choose another printer for duplicate tickets to be sent to. For example, when setting up the kitchen printer, you could print duplicates to the expo printer. Printer type. Select the correct printer type. Select Thermal for receipt printers and Impact for kitchen printers. Print from this register. Toggle Print from the register off to create a phantom printer, which won't print physical tickets. In this example, we will be keeping this setting on. Once you've filled out all the fields, click Save. To ensure the printer is set up correctly, try sending a test print by clicking the printer icon. If the test print works, your printer is ready to go. Repeat these steps for any additional printers you need to add in each register under the Printers tab. And that's it. Your printers are configured, and your CAKE POS system is fully baked and ready to serve your guests. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to CAKE Support. We're here to make your experience a piece of cake.